Parents, the school year started just last week, but if you haven't locked down your child's phone, you could already be a step behind. Don't worry, it's not too late. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 5 quick settings that can shut the door on scammers, strangers, and late night distractions. And the best part, each one takes less than 2 minutes to fix. Welcome to Family Cyber Tips Weekly, the show that helps parents like you and I, and families in general, stay safe in today's digital world. We're 1 week into the new school year, and while homework, sports, and routines are back in full swing, there's one thing many parents haven't done yet. They haven't checked their child's phone settings. The truth is, just because the school year has started doesn't mean it's too late. In fact, now is the perfect time to reset and make sure your child's device is locked down for the months ahead. So today, I will walk you through those 5 must-change settings on both iPhones and Androids that can cut 80% of online risks in just minutes. Okay? Let's look at the first setting. Screen time and family link. You must set digital boundaries on iPhones and indeed Android. On the iPhone, you use screen time, and on Android, you use family link. These let you limit application usage, block late night scrolling, and create healthy digital habits from day one. A second setting, App Store restrictions. You must lock down application downloads. Kids are generally smart. They'll grab games and social apps you've never heard of. On the iPhone, require a parent password for all downloads. On Android, enable approval in Family Link. Let's look at the third setting, location sharing. You must turn off unnecessary location sharing. Apps like Snapchat, TikTok, or even maps may reveal your child's movement. Keep location sharing only for trusted family apps. Please. Message and filters will be our setting number 4. Set up message filters. iPhones can filter unknown senders. On Android, block spam texts. This keeps creepy DMs, which is direct messages, and scam links from sliding into your child's phone unnoticed. The last setting that we will look at will be scam call protection. We've shared a singular video that covers this. Please browse the portal to familiarize yourself with that. But for this video today, you must stop the scam calls. And you do that on the iPhone by enabling silence unknown callers. On Android, you turn on spam protection in phone settings. That way, strangers don't even get a chance to start a conversation. Now, parents, we may already be a week into the new school year, as I've said a number of times, but it's not too late to take action, okay? These 5 simple settings, from screen limits to spam call protection, can still protect your child for the rest of the term. Think of it as hitting the reset button before small risks become big problems. Now, I've given you pointers to what you need to do on the phones, okay? The iPhone and the Android phones. I haven't given you a how-to. Now, if you want me to break this down further in a how-to tutorial of sorts, then please say the word please in the comments, okay? If this has helped you in any way, don't wait. Make these changes today. And if you know another parent who hasn't locked down their child's phone yet, please share this video with them immediately. Let's protect more kids together. And remember, you must subscribe for more, family cyber tips like these ones. And it will protect the kids today and going forward. Okay? Family Cyber Tips Weekly is your best friend. And we do this every week, Monday at 6 p.m. So you never miss the tips that keep your family safe online. Okay? I've been your host, Lawrence Edem. Until next week, Monday at 6 p.m. God bless and goodbye